Well, on now to our next big story this evening, a crucial meeting between Samajwadi Party leader Mulayam Singh Yadav and the Prime Minister, where Mulayam reportedly made it clear to the Prime Minister that he could not back the government on the food security ordinance unless there were 10 specific amendments. Under intense pressure, the Congress has taken the political risk of making the food security ordinance its do-or-die issue. Parties that do not support the ordinance in Parliament, the Congress believes, will be seen going against something as basic as food security for the impoverished. But the big question, will continued political pressure in Parliament, perhaps from the Samajwadi Party itself, therefore mean that early elections are inevitable?
Mulayam Singh Yadav at the Prime Minister's residence this morning.
पीएम से क्या मुलाकात हुई
विकास को लेकर बात हुई, क्या बात हुई? अब ये कोई बताने की नहीं क्या मुलाकात हुई, क्या बात हुई.
Unofficially though, the word is the Samajwadi Party chief is opposed to the food security bill in its current form and wants at least 10 changes to the bill. Earlier, the Samajwadi Party had even threatened to quit UPA if the government pushed ahead with food security. But the Samajwadi Party chief faces a determined Congress chief who's called a meeting of her senior party leaders, including Congress chief ministers, this Saturday on how food security should be rolled out quickly. Perhaps this face-off between Congress and the Samajwadi Party is behind some persistent talk of early elections.
यदि कांग्रेस जल्दी चुनाव करवाना चाहती है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड ने ये निर्णय किया है और ये तय किया है, हम उसके लिए तैयार हैं.
In fact, this morning, cabinet announcements clearly had a political tenor. 2 universities in Sonia Gandhi's constituency, Rai Bareli, Delhi Rent Control Act scrapped, a long-standing demand of the trading community in poll-bound Delhi, family income ceiling for ST scholarships hike from 2 lakh rupees a year to 4.5 lakh, and the constitution of a national capital region transport corporation. So aren't these signs of an early election?
Well, the BJP has always believed, from 2004, that there would be a poll the very next day.
First, the UPA government took some tough economic decisions like hiking gas and coal prices. Then, quite literally pushed through the food security ordinance. And now, the Congress leadership is ready even to debate the Telangana issue, an issue over which the UPA government has avoided a decision for close to 3 years now. So, no matter what the Congress says on record, of late, there's been a great urgency in policy making or decision making. In New Delhi, Sandeep Phukan, NDTV.
The food security ordinance, it's going to be coming up in Parliament once Parliament resumes, but there was an important political sort of aspect today when Mulayam Singh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party leader, met the Prime Minister. It was a 30-minute meeting. We are told it was a one-on-one meeting, and we are told, according to sources, that Mulayam Singh Yadav made it absolutely clear as far as that food security ordinance being eventually passed by Parliament, that would be unacceptable as far as the Samajwadi Party was concerned, unless there were 10, and the number we are hearing is that there were 10 amendments which were introduced. Where does this actually leave the government, which has been trying to push through the ordinance one way or the other and has to compulsorily bring it up in the next session of Parliament? With us still, Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party, Prakash Javadekar of the BJP, Sanjay Nirupam of the Congress and Pawan Verma of the JDU. Sanjay Nirupam, let me come to you first. What really transpired in that meeting between the Prime Minister and Mulayam Singh Yadav?
It's difficult to say what exactly transpired between Prime Minister and Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, and I cannot make any comment on the basis of some unconfirmed news reports or rumor or hearsay. So, but the Government of India is very much committed to pass this ordinance because it is in the interest of poor people, poorest of the poor people of this country. We are fighting against hunger, we are fighting against malnutrition, and to fight against this kind of menace, the government is getting a weapon in its hand to support, to help the poor people. And I think if anybody is going against this bill, this ordinance, he is basically anti-poor, anti-weaker people.
I'll get Prakash Javadekar to respond to that in just a moment from now. I'll get Mr. Javadekar to respond to that in just a moment from now. But Gaurav Bhatia, is it true that Mulayam Singh ji has serious objections to the food security ordinance in its present form?
The Samajwadi Party stand has been clear. We have been opposing the food security ordinance, and there are reasons for doing that. It has already been stated that the Congress is doing this, keeping in mind the elections that are likely to be held very soon. And they haven't given enough research, and they have not discussed this ordinance or the bill that we were talking about earlier with the other parties. This bill of this nature or an ordinance of this nature should be discussed on the floor of the House, and an ordinance route should not have been taken because there was no immediate emergency to introduce an ordinance. That itself shows, why Congress is doing it. It is just trying to send out a message. They're trying to appease the voters, but the voters can read through the lines and they know that their intentions are not right. And apart from that, speaking on the merits of the ordinance, the entire burden is being shifted to the states for implementation. And the states have not been consulted. They have not consulted the state government. This is not responsible on the part of the central government. Moreover, I think, they should have first assimilated the data on the basis of which they were supposed to distribute this food.
But
now,
bottom line,
that data
Gaurav,
does
will
not
your party
exist. Then
vote
what
with
was
the government
rush
in
in
Parliament?
this ordinance?
Bottom line,
All
will you
these are
vote with
big
the government in
questions
Parliament?
that Congress has to answer.
Vishnu, can I respond?
Just give me half a second. I want to get a response from
No,
Gaurav
what
Bhatia
would
on
be done
this.
is the
Will
Parliament
your
would
party
be
vote
decided in
with
the
the
Parliament
Congress?
by our party president, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav. I have answered your question, Vishnu. What would be done on the floor of the House would be decided by our party leader, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav. He is the leader of the party, and such questions need to be answered on the floor of the House. They cannot be answered in interviews like these.